The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Thompson Station, or 12 miles southeast of Franklin, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Murfreesboro around 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Christiana, Eagleville, Tryon, and Rockvale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 76 and 91. Interstate 840 between mile markers 34 and 51. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At 7